Hey, what's going on, guys? Drew with Digital Nomad University and the Freedom Society here. Just wanted to check back in with you guys. I dropped out a video a couple months ago when I was just testing a brand new AI trading software, and I've got some updates for you. So I wanted to jump into that, share with you guys a little bit of behind the scenes, some of the data, the tracking, just so you guys have an idea of where we're at. If you guys have any questions about this EA, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'll get back to you on any answer that we can find for you. And if you guys want to get connected with this EA, let me know and I can get you in touch with the owners and you guys can get an account set up on your own. Now, I will say that this EA is going to be for those that can start with at least a $10,000, $20,000 account. So if you're not to that space where you can invest that type of capital, this might not be for you. But for those who love nerding out on different EAs and softwares and AI trading like I do, this will still be fun and exciting for you guys as well. So once again, if you guys have not joined our DNU Digital Nomad University Entrepreneurship and Investing group, make sure you do that. The link will be down below. And if you guys get value out of these videos, you guys like to see some of the different things and opportunities that I put my money into to start compounding the growth for myself, and you guys want to see more of that, make sure you guys subscribe and give me a thumbs up on this video. We really appreciate it. So let's go and do this. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys I'll just show you the tracking updates. I can show you guys the back end as well, but let's go ahead and jump over here first. All right, so this right here is my FX book. This is where you can basically put your login credentials into their website and pulls all of the data, showing every single trade, every single tick, you name it. And so as you guys can see here, I actually launched this on July 1st with a $20,000 demo deposit. So right now I am still demoing this right here just to get real true data. I did set this up on moderate. The very first time I set it up, I did set it up on conservative, and it was great. But since it's just a demo, I really wanted to see kind of like the worst case scenario, what that would look like on moderate. And there still is another level above that, which is going to be aggressive. And so if you guys want to go aggressive, you absolutely can. I think moderate is a good middle of the road, setting to run things off. As you guys can see here, we've actually grown a little over 9%, 9.39% in the last 2 months. I guess 2 months and 8 days. There hasn't been a ton of trading days, because we did have a holiday, actually a couple holidays in that time, but it's long enough to really have some good data to go off of. So check this out here. Absolute gain, 9.39%. It's getting on average 0.12% growth day over day, which is awesome, especially for being 100% hands off. Monthly average return is at about 3.5%. We really started off with a bang, but really over the last month, the market's been a little funky. And so it's been growing a little bit slower, but that is really just the ebbs and flows of the market of AI trading. So I would assume that we'll jump back to above 4% overall profit per month as we go into the third quarter here. All right, so you guys can see here, drawdown. So this is basically just means how much of my account do I need to utilize at any given time on this setting. And so we did have some crazy market movements right here back in August 5th. And in doing so, you guys can see that I leveraged about 16.8% of my account in order to manage through those type of crazy volatile moves, which honestly is not too bad at all, right? If you got a $10,000 account, you leveraged about $1,600, $1,700 in order to keep your account safe and get back to making profit whenever the market rebounded, right? So as you guys can see here, once again, I started with a $20,000 deposit, and we are now up $1,878. I guess we show it right here, profit. So almost $2,000. Once we hit $2,000, we are officially at 10%. And fees-wise, it's been pretty minimal. I do have this one set up on FlexiTrade, so shout out to FlexiTrade on the low fees there. If you guys don't have an account with them yet, you guys can check the comments below. There's a link that you guys can get set up with Flexi on MT4 or MT5. So here we go. So check this out here. We've got a lot of historical data. We've got 473 trades in the last 2 months alone. So as you guys can see here, the large majority of these are profit trades. And so if you guys go back far enough, you can see every single trade has been taken. I've got trades that are open right now, just floating. But as you guys can see, my first 2 months, 4.13%. August, 4.48%. Now, September's been a little bit slow start, but I would assume that by the time we get to the end of the month, we'll be a little over 3%, maybe 3.5%, but we'll see how it plays out. So just want to share that with you guys. I would show you guys the back end of the actual software itself, but I think that this is probably going to share, it's going to say more than even just showing you guys the MetaTrader account. So that's where I'll cut it there. Just want to keep you guys in the loop, keep you updated with everything that I'm testing. There's some other EAs that I may be sharing here soon as well. But overall, of the current EAs I am testing, this definitely shows the most promise. And so we're going to give it a little bit more time, trade on a demo, and we'll be going live, and I'll show you guys the live report when that comes out as well. So this is the 2-month update. We'll be back again here in another few weeks with another update. If you guys, once again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. You guys can also hit me up on Telegram, as you guys have done in the past. And would also love to know what type of content you guys would love to see. Obviously, I'm pretty diversified into a couple different businesses, trading, AI trading, you name it. So if you guys have questions about any of those, I'd love to know what type of content that you guys like to see. I've gotten a lot of great reviews, a lot of great feedback on my videos where I basically show how to get FX books set up and a few other things with MetaTrader. So any other questions, yeah, let me know. I'd love to shoot some content for you guys and show you exactly how you need to do what it is. So we'll call it there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, give me a subscribe. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.